I can see that you really enjoy Spain, Mr. B.
What's not to enjoy, eh? I feel like I'm 20 again.
Do you call 20 young? For an AI, this is ancient.
You should know that with age also comes improvement for us humans, not only malfunctions.
And speaking about 20 years, you have to postpone your shopping session a bit.
But why?
We must go to the 20th AUTOBEST Gala.
What? And why haven't you told me this before?
I was afraid you would have been too stressed with the preparations to enjoy your vacation.
Oh, but how will I go there?
I got it all covered.
Hey, this is the new Cupper Tabascan. I didn't expect to see it on the streets sooner than 2024. Now this is a huge surprise.
It was sent to you by the organizers of AUTOBEST Gala. They want you to get a feel of the future and also to celebrate the rise of the electric cars, which was foreseen and honored since the early editions.
And since we're in Europe, it seems I'll also get to taste the other features that the people here appreciate the most when it comes to cars. Easy connection, autonomy, and shared mobility.
Besides that, you will witness a great event, because this year, the AUTOBEST jury becomes the largest motoring jury, with 32 members representing 32 countries.
Then I must rush. I don't want to miss a thing.
You can enter the car and enjoy the ride. A driver will take you there.
No, I can't go dressed like this to the gala.
You will find everything you need inside. Come.
It's nice to be able to enjoy the view.
I'm glad.
Do you ever think how much of a discovery the car is? Without the automotive technology, we wouldn't be able to stay so connected. Not being able to travel so fast and see each other's faces would make also our emotions harder to be felt and shown.
Now look who's becoming poetic.
Maybe you're right. I think it's the Spanish air.
We arrived at our destination.
What do you think,
I think it suits you nicely. And with the bow tie, you will sure blend in with the guests. Oh, Mr. B, I have a surprise for you. You'll get the chance to test drive the Best Buy car of Europe very soon. Now let's go, or we'll miss Mr. Vardier's opening speech.